Hi, babies. This is Lyra on the left, and then Brandy, and then Bentley, and then Chance. And this is their first time outside. And Chance, he's been wandering around a little bit. And Brandy, that's Whiskers. This is Lyra. And Bentley's just kind of laying there in the grass. It probably feels good. Hey, babies. That's not your mom, Brandy. And this is Lyra over here. She's going over to Whiskers. And there's Chance. And Bentley just poked his head up. And here comes Brandy. Say hi. It's scary outside, huh? Yeah. Yeah.